If your engine starts feeling like it is gasping for air and losing power every time you try to climb a small hill, you might be dealing with a serious fuel delivery headache. When your engine control module, or ECM, triggers the P2150 code, it is telling you that there is a low voltage condition within the fuel injector Group B circuit. Modern fuel injectors are incredible because they replace those old inefficient carburetors to give us better fuel economy and cleaner power, but they are also very sensitive to electrical health. Since the spray of these injectors is controlled electronically, the supply voltage has to be absolutely perfect for the engine to run right. In the field, we call a lack of fuel a lean condition, and that is dangerous because running lean can cause extreme engine damage in a very short amount of time. You might notice erratic engine performance, misfires, or even a weird engine noise that sounds like a metallic tapping. Because the injector wiring harnesses are often routed through the hottest parts of the engine bay, they're very prone to getting brittle and cracking. Most of the time, this code ends up being a mechanical issue with the harness itself. Your first step should be to find exactly which injectors the manufacturer has labeled as Group B. You might have to pull off a few engine covers to see them, but it is worth it to check for any frayed or broken wires. I have seen many cases where water or other fluids get trapped in the engine valleys, which makes the connectors corrode way faster than they should. If you see any white or green crusty stuff in the plugs, clean it out with some electrical contact cleaner and make sure the tabs are sealing tight. If the visual stuff looks good, grab your multimeter and set it to resistance or ohms to perform a continuity test. You want to touch one end of the circuit and the other to see if the electricity has a clear path. If the resistance is way higher than what the factory manual says it should be, you have found your problem wire and you need to trace it back to fix the break.